Check, check. Check, check. Welcome, guys. Welcome on this Saturday morning. For those who are joining the honking class, this is the 360 trainer. What we're going to do, we're going to do 5-minute intervals. We look forward to taking this class. It's going to be a lot of body weight. You just need one kettlebell. We'll be doing one set of, a set of two-hand swings. And the rest of the weight, the rest of the exercises we're going to be doing today are going to be more body weight. So enjoy the class. We're going to start on the 360 in around another minute. And all you really need, again, for your weight is your own body and a pair of kettlebells, just a two-hand swing kettlebell at your own leisure, at your own weight. Don't go too heavy specifically in a class. You always want to be at it if you're normally swinging a 24, maybe scale down to a 16, something to that. And maybe we go into 3 sets, go up one on the last set when you're in class work. Okay, so we're going to start in another minute. Start preparing yourselves. We're going to start on the bike, the 360. All right, good morning. Let's start this thing up. Put your emergency brake on. Start on around 6 to 8 resistance. Get your body warmed up. Whew, this feels good this morning. Make sure you relax your shoulders. Don't forget to round your back. Give me a little bit of a shimmy. And let's go in position 1, position 3. Position 1, position 3. It's great to be getting up early in the morning. Well, this is not early for me, but it's great to have a great morning class, honking class that is. Get that heart going. Hope you guys had a good night's sleep. We're going into position 1, position 2. Position 1, position 3. Make sure when you get in position 3, wrap your thumbs, obviously, but push off the bone of your palms. And I like, for my position 1, position 3, there's a couple ways you can do a position 1, position 3. There's this way. There's a quicker pace, which you have to embrace your core if you're going to be in this motion, position 1, position 3. The other postural position 1, position 3, this is a little bit better posture because you have no load. You have no flexion. Obviously, even when we're in position 3 or a typical spin bike, you're probably somewhere in this range. That's a flexion load standing. In this position here, great posture, able to really get a good breath because you're nice and elongated and nice and vertical. So this is position 1. It's just a great exercise here because you're actually firing your core in position 3. All right, position 1, position 3. Guys, let's go into a rotational plank. Just getting warmed up. Position 3, this is a transverse plane. It's a nice exercise, again, on the 360 to really get a T-spine rotation. It's a good transverse exercise. It's not going into the spine. It's rotating through our lats. Okay? So make sure when you rotate, don't bring your hands all the way back here. I just want you to take the rotation from here. Okay? just right where the hip is. All right, go to position 3. Let's start picking up your pace a little bit to 55 RPMs. We're cruising right now. Keep your core tight. Make sure you don't lock out your knees. And try to round your glutes. Make sure you round your glutes. And keep your chest up. The great thing about this 360, we're really able to keep our chest up. And try to, keep your neck nice and neutral, meaning that, make sure you're not out here. Just kind of look with your eyes. So we're picking it up a little bit, 55 to 60, guys. We're at 3 minutes and 35 seconds. We're going to go back to position 1, position 3. We're going to go into 10 push-ups, position 1, position 3 here in a minute, okay? Position 1, position 3, push-ups. Okay, keep going, position 1. My iWatch called the 360 an elliptical. I said, no, it's definitely not elliptical. An elliptical is an elongated ellipse. So they took this circle here from a normal indoor spin bike and they elongated it. So the resistance to an elliptical is a horizontal motion. It's very long, right? So that's why for people with potential lower back discomfort or at risk with an elliptical, because it takes your gait, it takes the stride beyond your gait pattern, okay, and then gets into your hip. Here with the 360, we're just going up and down. And regarding an elliptical, that resistance is horizontal, so you can't get a lot of resistance. So guys, with that said, let's turn our resistance up to 12. All right, we're going to stop here in 6 minutes, and then we're going to honor our 5 minutes. All right, let's go. Position 1, position 3, push-ups for 10, 2, 3. For those who need to retract, just retract, pinch your blades. Just pinch your blades. Again, position 1, position 3, push-ups, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's bring this back to 8. Position 3. Pick it up. Now for the last 30 seconds, let's bring yourself at above 60 RPMs. Do the best you can. Try to keep yourself above 55 or 60 RPMs. There you go. Come on. Keep that RPM high. 15 seconds. There you go. I'm feeling good. Keep that core tight. All right, 3, 2, and 1. Position 1, start to cool down. We're going to go to our workout here. Just caught a little sweat. It's a phenomenal warm-up to 360. Today we're doing interval HIIT training. The great thing about the warm-up is you're fired. Your body's already fired because you're loading your own body weight in addition to standing weighted, cycling, running almost. All right, guys, cool down. Get yourself a water break. You got around 30 seconds, and then we're going to go into our workout. We're going to start with air squats. All right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go air squats, push-ups, two-hand swing, chop and pops, and then we're going to go for a walkout. For those who want to do the walkout with a push-up, we're doing 5, add a push-up in there, okay? Again, we're doing air squats for 30, two-hand swing, chopping and popping is your modification, and your walkouts with push-ups or just a regular plank. So in the meantime, let's go into our 30 squats, air squats. You ready? 1. When you do the squat, I'm going to do it from the side. Make sure you start with a rounded back. We do not want to end up here, okay? So again, round your back. You're going to see I'm going to push my knees forward and I'm going to pry a little bit. Pry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Shake off your tension. Now we're going to go into 10 to 20 push-ups. All right, for those who can do 10, or for those who can do 20, do 20. For those who can do 10, do 10, okay? So we're going to start in our push-up. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, and 20. For those who need to do it on your knees modified, I apologize if I didn't give you the cue. You're going to pry your way down. Make sure you pry your way down, okay? Open up that chest, punch up through your lats. Okay, we're going to go into our two-hand swing. For those who are going to do a chop and pop, I want you doing a chop and pop. I'm going to give you a side view. Again, chop and pop looks like this. Chop, and then pop. Chop, and then pop. All right? Chest up. Engage your lats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're down to 20. 13, 14. 3 more. All right, good job. Good, shake off your tension. Next exercise we're going to go into is a walkout. A walkout, make sure we don't load over, okay? We shouldn't be looking like this. That is a flexion load. So what I want you to do, you can soften your knees, round your back, keep your arms close to the body. 1. Add a push-up if necessary. Pinch your blades, squeeze your glutes. 2. You guys are doing great already. 3. Now, if I'm going too slow, go to 10. Get some extra credit. But I want to take some time for those who really who have a certain pace, okay? So that was 5 for me. Finish up with 10 for 5 more on your own. You don't have to stop for me, guys. All right, so the next exercise, we got 1 more minute left. So we're going to go back to the air squats, okay? We're going to go for 20 for the air squats. Got 47 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Whew. All right. We're going to go to our push-ups for 10. We got one more, and then we have to get back on the bike. On the count, 3, 2, and 1. For those who need to go 5, go 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Timer's up, guys. Take a 30-second break. Get a water break. "15 seconds. Our next round, you got 15 seconds left, will be dips. Okay? Bird dogs, rotational plank, and bear crawl hold. All right, guys, let's start to get on the unit. Let your break go. Get in position 1, and let's start moving. Keep it going. We're going to go for 5 minutes. Oh, that's right. I do have a timer. Whew. All right, start picking up your pace. I want you somewhere in that 55, 60. 55 right now. You see me at around 58, 59. It will jump up to 60. This position with small heads, I have a very small head. Sometimes this microphone is not fitted, but thank you for the microphone because you can hear me well. So let's keep going, position 1. We're just going for a nice jog. Add a little bit of rotation. Make sure you're breathing. Whew, feeling good right now. We're in position 1. I'm going between 55 to 59, 60 RPMs. Just add a nice, relax your shoulders too. Let's burn right now. We're in our fat burning zone. There you go. Keep it going. Position 1. Let's go position 1, position 3. Position 1, position 3, guys. Position 1, position 3. Whew, feeling good. Position 1, position 3. Make sure you're not locked out. Don't block out your knees. Good. Guys are doing great out there. So I'm keeping around 55 right now. As soon as that beep, we're off to 360, and we're back on for dips. Okay, so grab, you can either do it from the floor, I'll show you from the floor, and I'll show you from some sort of couch, but I'll show you from the floor first, just in case you don't have a bench in front of you. All right, let's go into individual switch with rotation. Again, go at your own pace. Good, position 1, position 3. All right, let's go back to 3. We're gonna add a sprint in there, okay? In 10 seconds. Feeling good? I'm starting to break a sweat. And try to push off your left foot, guys. Okay, so make sure, because the asymmetry is stuff in the glute is something that you got to be aware of. So really kind of push off that left foot. Push off that left foot. Okay, so you can start to develop the glute. All right, on my count, 5, 4, and guys, we're going to push off the left, okay, for 10 seconds. On my count, 3, 2, go. 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Position 1, position 3. Position 1, position 3. Let's go in position 1. Go into a cool down. Feeling good. The great thing I love about this unit, the 360, is I'm really feeling my quadriceps and I'm feeling my glutes. And the next, I think the most important thing that I notice is that the hamstrings are off. So I'm not sitting down, I'm supporting myself, meaning, so I have a good amount of support, which is considered kinetic energy, in order for my lower body to really work at a lower percentage, even though it's at a higher percentage. So it's like an even keel of nice anti-gravity training. All right, guys, let's pick it up just a little bit. We're gonna go 55, pick it up, 30 seconds, and we're gonna go back into our exercises. I'm at 60 plus, stay at 60 plus for another 10 seconds. Relax your shoulders, give me a nice little rotation. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, cool down. Let's go backwards. Okay, while you guys are cooling down for another 20 seconds, I'm going to prepare. So while you guys are on the bike, this is what a dip is look like. Okay? So you're just going to get on the floor. Again, put your hands probably pointed towards the window or the wall. Elevate. And just go into a small dip. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. We're going 15 to 20. On the bench dip, a typical dip, don't be out here with your dip. Try to stay close to the bench. I'm not the biggest dip fan, but I think if it's done properly, it could be effective. So again, pinch your blades, keep your body weight close to you, and dip, and just push through. Okay, so on my count, we're gonna go for another 10 seconds. 10 seconds, get in your positions, and I'm gonna go from here. You guys can go on the floor for 20. If it starts to bother your wrists, go into a bridge for your modification, okay? So try to push from the bone of your palms. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right. Finish that up. Finish those reps up. All right, we're going into a bird dog next. Okay? Give you an opportunity to get yourself ready. Come on, scoot a little bit. All right? Get into a quadruped. All right, make sure you're in the proper positioning. Get your chest up, shoulders down. I like to go into a lumbar extension and then embrace myself into the neutral position. Okay, again, so you don't want to just start just like this and start going into a lumbar flexion. That's going to be a problem. All right, so again. All right, let's start. We're going to go rotary bird dogs for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pack those shoulders. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's switch it up. Get in that position, butt wiggle if necessary. Let's switch sides. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Try not to extend your arm out so you don't end up like this. So just keep a soft knee bend in the extension. 4 more. 3, 2, And 1. All right, good job. Finish up. Next thing we're going to go into is a rotational plank. For those who are not comfortable with the rotational plank, which this is what it looks like, you're just going to go into a side plank. It's a really, really good static stability exercise. So when you start to rotate, your rib cage and pelvis needs to be nice and engaged. Okay? That's what that looks like. We're going to start now. We're going for 20. 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see my elbows parallel to the windows or parallel to the camera. You see that forearm? Same thing over here. So I make the transition really well to the floor. Okay? And I really don't want to see this. That's not what I'm looking for. I don't want to see those hips go into disassociation from your rib cage, okay? 4 more. Stay at your own count. And last one. All right, good job. All right, next one we're going to go into is a bear crawl hold. Nice core exercise. Make sure your knees are in line with your hips, your palms are in line with your shoulders, and you're just going to come up and hold. We're going to hold this for 45 seconds. We're 10 seconds in. 20 seconds in. For those who need to stop, modify it accordingly. Good. 30 seconds in. All right, in 45 seconds. Very nice. All right, let's shake off your tension. Let's get back on the 360. Get a water break. We need to hydrate. We need 8 fluid ounces every 15 minutes in an hour workout. Today we're only going for 45 seconds. All right, let's get on that 360. We're going to start backwards. The great thing is the muscles really work differently when we're going backwards. So it actually feels different, but it actually feels like it gives the quadriceps a break. It gives the muscles that are working that when we move forward, that feel like when we go backwards, it gives the muscles a break. All right, let's go into position 1, position 3. Position 1, position 3. Guys are doing great. Whew. I'm at around 48, 50 on my intensity level. Let's turn that in position 3 and let's go into some push-ups. We're going to go 5. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Make sure you open up your chest. 4 and 5. Good job. The great thing about the push-up here is that we can really bring our core and hips down and stay associated with the whole upper body. You see this? We're really able to stay associated, keep that core nice and static, as you can see. You see a lot of other modalities doing push-ups like this. And that's okay. That's just our alternatives. But we have the opportunity here to really keep that core tight without incorporating the lower back flexion. So position one, position two. Let's go position one, position two. Keep that chest up. All right, let's go back to one and let's start to pick up your pace. Let's pick up your pace a little bit. Again, try to push off that left side because there's a known weakness to the left. All right, so really try to push off that left side. Keep your chest up. There we go. We're going to go for another 20 seconds. So we're going to go into 3 push-ups, a 3-second sprint, 3 push-ups, all right, in the reverse position. All right, let's start with a 3-second sprint on my count. 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. 1, 2, and 3. Whew, that burned. All right, let's go into 3 push-ups. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go to 3-second push-up, 3-second sprint. 3, 2, go. 1. Open up your chest. 2, and 3. Let's go into a 3 push-ups, position 3. 1, 2, 3. That felt good and a nice retraction there. All right, let's go into one more 3-second sprint. 3, 2, go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go back to position 3 push-ups. Open up your blades, really pry out. Good, get your lats engaged. 1, 2, 3. And position 1, quads are feeling it in a different way. And I want you to cool down for 30 seconds. And we're going to get back on the floor. Great job. So cool down. Make sure you don't lock your knees out. Very nice. Put that break on. Get yourselves a water break. All right, guys, we got one more left. One more circuit left. We're going to go into a wall sit. We're going to start with a wall sit, and then we're going to superset it with a side lunge. So, guys, grab your wall sit. Find a wall. As you can see, I want you at a 90 degrees. If you have some knee issues, modify it with some sort of bird dog, okay? Or maybe a box squat will give you a little bit more support. But let's go for 45 seconds. Wall sit. For those at home, I want 45 seconds to a minute. Make sure your back is flat against the wall. Grip the floor. Feeling those quads. For those who definitely were on that 360, feels good. We're 30 seconds in. 30 seconds in. For those who are doing 45 seconds, your time is up in 3 seconds. And we're going to go for another 15 seconds. 10 seconds in. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Shake off your tension. We're going to move to the next exercise, which is going to be a side lunge, okay? For those that need a demonstration, this is what it's going to look like. You can start from here. If you can, try to get that left knee to really straighten out and really stretch out adductor. Not too much, so bring your knees forward so you don't strain that hamstring on the left side. Okay, again, same thing on the right. I'll show you a step lunge on your moving to your left. Sorry. Okay. All right. Let's start with our left. I'm going to start with a step lunge. For those who need to do a stationary and keep both feet on the floor, you know what to do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget to round out that back. 8, 9, and 10. Good. Let's start from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 6, 7. Good job, guys. Keep it up. 8, 9, and 10. Shake off your tension. Good job on that. Next exercise I want you to do, we're going to go into a dead bug. Okay, so grab your I want you in a supine position. We're going to go for 20. I'm going to take this off. So make sure when you do this, I want your knees in line with your hips, okay? And we're going to start from our right. We're going to go with our right. I'll demonstrate it. Make sure your back is nice and flat against the floor. And it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Keep that core tight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have my thumb here. You see my thumb? 9, 10, 11. Just so I don't have to bring my hand all the way down. 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep your shoulders packed. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. All right, let's turn around. We're going to go into a plank. Get into your proper positioning. I want your chest up, shoulders back. Get into a nice neutral spine. And we're going to start now. 45 seconds to a minute. All right, for the last 30 seconds, for those who want to stay into the plank, I'm just going to go some elbow planks. Elbow planks, keep the core tight. So elbow taps. Keep the core tight. I'm just tapping my elbows, trying to keep my hips engaged, just to create a little bit more unstable environment. Last one, and good. All right, we're gonna go. We got one more minute left. Around 2.5 minutes left. We're gonna go into a wall sit, and then we're gonna go back into our side lunge. So let's go back to the wall sit for 30 seconds. Hustle it up. I'm starting now. 30 seconds. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. We're going to go side lunges. For those who are doing the side lunges, I'm going to do a kersey lunge. Okay, so stay with your side lunges. I'm going to do with a nice kersey lunge. For those who are familiar with the kersey lunge, by all means, I'm just going to go for 5. 1, 2. I'm going for 10. You guys are going for 5 on each side. 6, 7, 8, 9. Do not do these at home if you're not familiar with it. Finish up with your side lunges. And we're going to end it, guys, with a plank. So finish up. We're going to end it with a plank elbow taps for 20. And let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Guys, let's finish up with a cat and cow. Good. Next exercise I want you to do is a half knee windmill. Make sure you're in line. And let's go for 10 half knee windmills. So you're going to picture your shoulders packed, windshield wiper, bring that right foot in front of the left shin.
Right now, right here on the spot. Throw me down on the bar.
3 more.
In the car. You're so naughty.
Last one. Very nice. Nice. That's a nice T-spine rotation. Switch it up. Oh, I hope you guys heard me from here. Sorry about that. All right, going into our half knee windmill. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Shake it off. Next thing I want you to do is going into a posterior capsule stretch, similar to a pigeon. So what you're going to do is straighten your left leg, bring your right ankle over your left knee, and just slide back and keep your chest up. And tilt. I want you to just distribute your weight on the right glute. Make sure you don't have no knee pain here. And we're going to go for 30 seconds. You guys did great today. This is a nice medium class. I hope you enjoyed it. It wasn't our typical crazy honking hit train, but it was something to get our blood flowing. We probably had a long week this week. Everybody had a long week, considering everything that's going on out there. All right, switch it up. Again, left side, we're going to just be gentle on the left side. Bring your left ankle over and just don't go as far. Just gently stretch out that left glute. And breathe. So prayers go out to those who are in need. Guys, keep praying, specifically for the seniors. Again, we pray for America that God will bless this, bless the world, and crush this pandemic. And last one, give me a little bit of butt wiggle. And good job today. You guys did good. I'm so glad that you joined the class today, the 360 trainer. We're going to be thinking about some different ways for our customers to be having it at home, because I know a lot of our members are missing the 360. So we're making making some decisions where we can somehow get this into your home, and you guys can join us for even more 360 classes. So enjoy your day. God bless, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.